If you want to unlink your Monster account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. Step 1. Log into Monster. Visit the Monster website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page under your profile or account name. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled linked accounts or connections. This section will show all accounts linked to your Monster profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook option in the linked accounts section and select the option to unlink or disconnect it. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the unlinking process is completed. Step 5. Verify changes. After unlinking, log out of your Monster account and log back in to verify that your Facebook account is no longer linked. Check the link accounts section again to confirm. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Monster account from Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Monster's customer support for assistance.